Hello friends, welcome to learn HTML. In previous video, we have seen some tag, background color and font tag. Now let us see the background. For that, first you have to create one folder here, new folder, and give name images. Okay. Now your task is to copy any image which you want to be on background to this folder. Go to your local computer on any drive where your image is stored. Click on that folder and take any image which you want to set for a background. You can take any image, either JPG or any other format that support the HTML. Okay. Now let us select one image. Suppose here we select this image, right click, copy. Now go to our folder and paste here. Okay. Then right click on image, go to property, and you have to see the extension of image, that is .jpg. Okay, because we need a extension. Now let us create this image for a background. Create a file, open here notepad, now start a creating page. Copy paste, give here ending tag. Within here there is title, image. Okay, close the title, and now create a body tag. Again, with the help of shift and arrow key, you can select the text, copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste. Close the body tag as well as close the HTML tag. Don't make a spelling mistake. Okay, now let us write here something. This is background image of a page. Okay, for background image the tag is background equal to double inverted comma, opening and closing. Now we have a image in our folder images, and this folder is located in our current folder. Therefore just give the slash, give your folder name, again slash, and how to use the image name. Just go to your folder, click on the image, press F2, right click, copy, again go to page. Here already copied, then Ctrl V for paste and give the extension JPG. Okay, now save this file, name file 3.html. don't forget the extension .html. Save, and here go the one step back. Now double click on this file. Oh, there is no image. Let us make some correction. Go to our source code. I think here this is wrong. Remove this slash. Now within the images folder, this image we want for a background. Save, come here and refresh the page. Now this image is located at the background. Okay, by default this image is repeated. If you don't want to repeat it, then when will we see the CSS code, then we will easily control all these things. Now the original size of image is this one only, therefore it will get repeated. Okay, like this you can set the background image to a page. Now let us create some basic tag. Suppose here we already seen the tag of font. Suppose here I put center. Center is the tag, and just copy it, and paste below this text. Save it. Go to your page, press F5. Now your text is at the center. Within center tag, you can include any tags. Then it will show the given text or given object at the center of the page. Okay. Now here I just increase the zoom. Control plus. Okay. Now let us see simple tag. Suppose we want to make this background as a bold, then simply use B tag, and only background word is bold, therefore close here B tag. Now let us see what happened. F4 background get bold. Suppose we want image as a italic, then you can use here I tag. Again close this tag, then it will italic. As well as suppose we want to set underline to hold this line, then U, that is underline. Okay, you can also press the end key from your special key on keyboard to set the cursor at the end of the sentence. End and close it. Save and let us see the preview. Now it is underline. Now here are some simple tags: background, bold, italic and underline. Okay, in next video we will continue with the new tags. Thank you for watching the video.